Hello everyone, hope you guys doing very well. Today I'm going to show you how you can optimize your page speed index. Normally you can see when you check your website in this in this tools that it will showing that your performance is very low in mobile section. So you can do some optimization with some plugins if you are using WordPress CMS. Let's do how we can do it. Check. So you need to come down on the dashboard. On dashboard, you have to come in the plugin section and add new plugin. Click on add new plugin. There is a plugin name. It's called EWWW Image Optimizer. So once we just put this keyword, then you will find out this EWWW Image Optimizer plugin is already here. So all you need to do is this: you need to install it and then active it. Okay.